Hey everybody, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Tap subscribe and hit on the ringing bell for notifications, and I will support you back. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? So today we are just going to get right into it, and we are going for our BoxyCharm 2019 January. So if you don't know about BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a $21.99 plus tax a month subscription box that usually comes with 4, 5 to 6 products, full size, supposed to be full size. And you can get that monthly, or you can get it, you can pay for it for 3 months or a year, but most people do it monthly. You can skip a month or however you want to do it, but I'll leave all my information down at the bottom in case you're interested in getting BoxyCharm. Usually BoxyCharm is a really good subscription box. BoxyLuxe, however, is an amazing subscription box. It is that every third month you get BoxyLuxe in addition to what you pay for BoxyCharm. So you pay an additional $28.99, and you don't get the BoxyCharm, but you do get BoxyLuxe, which ends up being a whole lot of more products, and it's amazing. But this is the BoxyCharm for January because we just got BoxyLuxe in December. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my BoxyCharm. This is probably not going to be any surprise to anybody. Anyways, let's just get into it. Okay, so this, when you open the box, it always has a piece of foam over it like this, and it has a little card. And they used to have pamphlets, but they changed it to cards, and this month is Boxy and Chill, which this reminds me of like a kitty, like My Little Pony or something. I don't know, it's kind of funny. But, I mean, it's cute. It's kind of cute. But on the back it has the products, and it gives information on the products, how much they are, and all that good stuff. So we are just going to go and dive into this box, and I'm going to go ahead and just read in the order that I receive. Okay, so the first thing in the box is this Borgio Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is product. This is a spray that is $12. That's retail price, $12. It effectively restores your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Borgio's Rosarco Milk Spray. Infused with a signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking moisture, restoring luster and diminishing frizz. Not fizz, frizz. So this I do like. I'm just gonna go ahead and spoil it right now. I haven't put up my Ipsy Plus video yet, but I got a full size of this in Ipsy Plus. So I will either give this away, or if I really love it, because another time in BoxyCharm we got the mask. This is the 2 different products, but this is the Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask. So if I love this, I'll probably put it, like, use it and then pour the rest in the big bottle, or vice versa, but I'm not so sure about this. I would have rather have had some lashes or something, but it is what it is. So that's a $12 product. So the next thing in the box is something that I am not happy about at all. I think it is hideous, and I do not like it. This. What is this, BoxyCharm? This is not... No. This is not cute. How will this look on my skin? No. I'm not even opening it. But this is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Miami Fever. I do not like this color. This color is not cute. This color is not cute at all. I don't think this color will look good on anybody. It may, but it sure doesn't look good on skin tones like mine, or anywhere near mine. And I think that if you're going to ask us the colors that we like, and ask us what we want, and ask us, you know, do the little exam or little quiz that says, you know, what are your colors, what are not your colors, this is not a color for fair skin. So this would be more for like an olive skin tone or a deep skin tone, which is fine. But that's why we fill out those little things and take our time to fill out those things, so that we don't get these things. Yeah. And other people got the beautiful Bite Beauty lipstick. That's beautiful, and it's a nude, and it would perfectly match everybody. So that should have just been sent out to everybody. IMO. But this is the long lasting over liquid lipstick. The matte liquid lipstick delivers long lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with a minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. It's a $20 tube of baby poop, orange baby poop, carrots, baby food lipstick. So this will be given away. Given away. So that retails for $20. Okay, so here is the third product. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. There's so many people that got the same palette. So many people. I got version 2, if anybody wants to know. I got version 2 of the BoxyCharm version 2. Okay. So inside this, you have your palette. The palette is actually very pretty on the outside. It's got these very pretty like scale looking things on them. It's a very pretty palette. And it also comes with the little instructions on different things you can do. And yeah. Mystical Mermaid. I have this on my eyes today. So I tried to pull what I could out of this. I don't hate the palette. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's horrible. They couldn't get any pigment out of it. I got some pigment out of it, but I didn't get quite what I wanted. I had to really dig in there and get what I wanted out of it, and I had to add, you know, liner, a wing liner, and lashes in order to really amp it up. But as far as this goes, I want to know who got the pink Sizzle palette. If you got the pink Sizzle palette, leave me a thing down there and let me know, because I have not seen anybody who's gotten that Sizzle palette that I know, that I watch. So if you got the pink Sizzle palette, leave information for me down below and let me know if you got the pink Sizzle palette, because I would really love to know who all got it. Because in my opinion, I don't think they should have even showed it if they weren't going to be giving it to everybody, or they weren't going to be giving it to more people than like 5. They probably gave it to 5 people. I don't know how many people they gave it to, but I know that almost every single person I have seen so far did not get this palette, did not get the Sizzle palette. They got this one, or they got the regular Rainforest of the Sea palette. So, and those are all neutrals. So I think I would have rather have had that one, because it's not all shimmers. There's one matte in this palette. The rest of them are shimmers. So, and the matte is not, it's a bone color, and it's not very pigments in it all. So this is a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 high reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants helps hydrate and protect the lids. $36 retail price. Well, I tell you what, right now, I bet you I can go on the Tarte website and get this for less than $36 because this is under the sale items on Tarte right now. So is the other one. So is the other one. So is the other Rainforest of the Sea. I have not seen that Sizzle palette anywhere. Not even on the website. So I could be missing it, but I haven't seen it. So yeah, so this is $36, and this is the palette that we got this month. I did, like I said, I used it on my eyes. I don't hate it. I just don't love it. I don't love it. I'll keep it, and I will definitely use it for inner corner highlight, because it does give a really good inner corner highlight. And I'll pull it out if I need to. I have another Tarte palette that it reminded me of, and this is the Believe in Yourself, Make Believe in Yourself palette. This is one of my favorite palettes from Tarte, and it only has 1 matte shade in it. Well, let me show you the difference. This is the matte shade in it. It's like a taupe. It's like a taupe. And it has a huge highlighting pin in here. And there's different colors of shimmers. So there's a lot more to work with here. And oh my lord, does this smell? It smells so good. That palette doesn't smell. It doesn't smell like the regular Tarte stuff. So it's just kind of weird. Okay, so past that. The next thing I see and is on my list here are these. I'm really happy about, actually. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, okay? And these retail for $24 for both of them. and they nourish the skin with nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essentially fatty acids, highly concentrated botanical oils, and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 mLs of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. I cannot talk today. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, algae instantly restore skin health and radiance. Alright, so like I said, these are $24 for both of these, which, yeah, I'm not surprised. It's Tatcha. So what I'm going to do, I'm not a mask lover, but straight up, I will wear Tatcha mask on my face. I will force myself to put Tatcha mask on my face because these are probably amazing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to squeeze as much out, because it says there's 20 mLs in each of these. So I have a little bottle like this, and it's just a little squeezy bottle, like that you would put like oils or something in, and it's got the little medicine dropper in it. So what I'm going to do is, I've heard some people say that they were going to take and fold down and put a paper clip, a hair clip over the serum and use it in the mornings. I'm not going to do it that way. That's how I usually do my samples. But since there's so much in here, I want to put it in something that's actually going to be able to, that I know it's not going to dry out. So I'm going to put what's left over in these packets into this. So I will have some of the essence, the oil and the essence and whatever goodness is in this Tatcha stuff in this. So I also have a couple more little containers that I can use if I need to. So these are awesome. I really love these. This is probably my favorite thing in the whole entire thing. Favorite thing in the whole entire thing. So anyways, on to the next. And the last thing that was in my box is the $1 Billion Brows. Okay, so this is a universal brow pencil. This is not a universal brow pencil. This is a very taupe-like brow pencil. It's very taupey. Specially carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and this smooth, creamy formula makes for easy application. This retails for $18. I did use this on my brows today, and I actually really like it. I can wear taupe colored brow products. In fact, a lot of my brow products are taupe colored, and that's just me. I can wear them, but I know a lot of people can't. So this is definitely not a universal brow pencil. So I got lucky by getting this. Honestly, I could put any brow color on my brows, and that's because I have so many different tones in my hair. I have so many different undertones in my skin, and I can make it work. But I know a lot of people cannot wear a taupe brow pencil, so I feel like my friend Sherry, she can't do taupe. But the spoolie on this, oh gosh, I love the spoolie on this. I think that's the best part of this thing. I mean, the spoolie on its own, I love how it's kind of short, but it's super, super, super firm, and it does really, really, really well with these areas up in the front of your brows, and right here where I have my scars and everything. It just does a really good job as opposed to like a really large spoolie. So anyways, that's my BoxyCharm for the month of January, and it's just like so. You know, it's $21 a month, $21.99 a month. You know, they did such a good job with BoxyLuxe. I don't know if they were just like broke. I'm just kidding. I mean, I don't know what the deal was with them this month. I don't know if they were just saying, okay, well, y'all got a really good BoxyLuxe. But see, that's the thing. Everybody doesn't get BoxyLuxe. The people who don't get BoxyLuxe, you know, they got this and they're like, womp womp. You know? So if I wouldn't have gotten BoxyLuxe, yeah, I'd have been like, womp womp. So, but anyways, this is my BoxyLuxe for January 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, and hit the ring-a-ding bell for notifications, and I will support you back. Let me know what you got down below, please. If anybody in this whole entire YouTube that watches this, if you got the Sizzle palette, let me know. Let me know so I can go and watch your unboxing or see what it looks like, because I have not seen one yet. I haven't searched it, but I have not seen one. So I definitely want to know, and I want to know what you guys got and what you guys think about this box and some of the other boxes that are out there. So I love you guys. I will not argue with you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.